Here we are on claim number 010062866177. The date is 8/15/2023. It is 9:17 a.m. Currently 70 degrees. We have a few shingles approved on this. As you can see, we got the tarp here, and the tree fell there and here. So we're going to go ahead and start up with the one here. And I would like to note, first thing, we do have these previous damages. All right. Another thing to note, all the tabs are currently sealed. So got no delamination going on all of any of these. All right, so first thing we got to do to remove this, we're going to unseal this one. Then we're going to have to take the nails out. So unseal these, take the nails out here, unseal these, take the nails out here, and then we can slide it out. Let's get started. A lot of debris in there. Okay. All those. All right. Alright, so we now got this one removed. As you can see, it is a Tamko shingle. One thing I would like to note is we have the Tamko shingles here, and to get this shingle to be the same size, you actually have to trim it. And we do have a do not mix letter for that as well. But this is trimmed. You can see the piece up there. We can go ahead and pop it in. A lot of wind-driven debris underneath these. So just slide on in since we trimmed it. Gotta get on that blue line with your nail. Corner one's gonna be tough. All right, so now okay, so now let's go ahead and check this out real quick. So if you slide on in here, you know, look at everything that just happened here. First thing we're gonna check for, tab's still good. Good deal. No delamination there. Good. All right. That's still good. These ones are the ones that are. So we have a delamination there. You can see this one did as well. This one as well. And the reason being because these nails didn't get taken out, so it kind of got flexed a little bit more. These ones are okay. Now, other things we need to look at here is we've got a tear. Go along and look at all of them. Make sure. This one's torn right here at the tip. Right here, this one also tore. This one started to delaminate there on the corner. That's never gonna go back down. And that's all good. But now the other thing to note, when you go, you do have a lot of granules coming off of these shingles. And if we go back over to here, to the test, you can see that there's no granules falling off. But due to the tears, we got tears and delaminating tabs and then granule loss. This repair attempt is a failure. And so due to this, we're asking for a new roof.